The winner of this year's World Cup in men cricket is blank. England. 2. Which of the following is a radioactive element? Uranium. 3. What is the approximate distance between Nonstoy and Mokirwat? 40 kilometers. 4. What is the approximate distance between Nonston and Nongnam Island? None of the above. 5. What is the approximate distance between Nonston and Langpay? None of the above. 6. Who is the MDC from Madhudrishan constituency? None of the above. 7. Who is the MDC from Nonston constituency? Gabriel Wallang. 8. Which is not an external storage device? RAM. 9. Which one of the following is not the district capital in Meghalaya? Myrong. Select the opposite words. 10. Outstanding. Extremely bad. 11. Liberty. Free from bondage. 12. Priority. Slowly. 13. Who is the Home Minister of Meghalaya? James K. Songma. 14. West Khasi Hills District is surrounded by. Assam. 15. Name the Indian politician who died in a bomb blast. Rajiv Gandhi. 16. Which country won this year's World Cup Women Football? U.S. 17. Name the railway station which is located in Meghalaya. Mendipathar Terminus. 18. Which state in India where flood has killed more than 150 people this year? Kerala. 19. The Constitution of India was adopted in the year? (1949). 20. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar is considered as the father of the Constitution of India. 21. What is the approximate distance between Nonstan and Shalling? 78 kilometers. 22. What is the approximate distance between Nonstan and Mofanlore? 34 kilometers. 23. Who is the present governor of Meghalaya? Tathagata Roy. 24. Water which is suitable for drinking is called. Potable. 25. Who was the founder of the Mughal Empire? Babur. 26. Seismic waves are recorded by an instrument called the seismograph. 27. Water covers blank % of the Earth's surface. (75) 28. Kalaru Lake is located in which Indian state? Andhra Pradesh. 29. There are usually 3 parliamentary sessions in India: the budget, the monsoon session and blank. The winter session. 30. Thermometer is an instrument used for measuring. Temperature. Choose the right meaning of the following. 31. Omnipotent. 'all-powerful. 32. Panacea. 'a remedy for all diseases. 33. Octogenarian. 'who is 80 years old. 34. Regicide. 'murder of a king. 35. Outcast. 'person boycotted by the society. 36. Outlaw. 'a lawbreaker. 37. Educational institution. 'all of these. 38. What is the approximate distance between Nonstan and Mawate? (31 kilometers). 39. Who is the district election officer of West Khasi Hills District? T. Lingva. 40. Which one of these are not located in West Khasi Hills district? Patharkma. 41. 2390 x 2390. None of these. 42. If one apple cost 45 rupees per, what is the cost of 55 apples? ₹2,475. 43. If 100 bottles of mineral water is divided amongst 25 players, each player will get 4 bottles. 44. What remain if you spend 2,300 on food, 4,300 on clothes, out of your salary Rs 21,000? None of these. 45. India shares longest international boundary with which country? Bangladesh. 46. Which country has the highest population? China. 47. Which animal is named as the mascot for National Games 2022 that is to be held in Meghalaya? Clouded leopard. 48. What is the qualifying age for getting enrolled in the electoral roll in India 2020? (18 years). 49. Name the present Chief Electoral Officer of Meghalaya. None of these. 50. What is the approximate distance between Nonstan and Ryongdo? (43 kilometers). If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribe for more upcoming video and don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you all. Kublai Shibun.